Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're exploring LogMeIn, accessible at www.logmein.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of remote connectivity tools, enabling you to access your computers and applications from virtually anywhere. Whether you need to work remotely, provide tech support, or simply access files on your home computer while on the go, LogMeIn has a solution tailored to your needs. LogMeIn provides a secure and reliable connection to your devices, ensuring your data remains safe and accessible. Its intuitive interface allows for effortless navigation, making remote control of your computers a breeze. With features like file transfer, multi-monitor support, and remote printing, LogMeIn provides a truly seamless remote desktop experience. Beyond individual users, LogMeIn also caters to businesses of all sizes, offering robust solutions for remote workforce management, IT support, and secure access to critical business applications. These features enhance productivity and collaboration, enabling teams to work effectively regardless of location. Furthermore, LogMeIn's commitment to security is paramount. They employ robust encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. This peace of mind is crucial in today's increasingly interconnected world. Explore the different plans and pricing options available on their website to find the perfect fit for your individual or business needs. From individual users seeking remote access to their personal computers to large enterprises requiring comprehensive remote workforce solutions, LogMeIn offers a scalable and adaptable platform. Consider taking advantage of any free trials offered to experience the full power and functionality of LogMeIn firsthand.